Good morning, members of the board. My name is Matt Johnston. I've been proud to be a resource planner for the planning department for the last 7 years. In the last 4 months, I've gotten married and bought my first house, and am, for the first time in my life, looking forward towards retirement. Looking at the retirement benefits that the county provides and comparison counties and other cities such as Sunnyvale, we're woefully behind. We're the only county in the state, I believe, that has a cap on what the employers pay into the PERS system. With the 4 other counties that have PERS in our comparison counties, 3 of them have better retirement packages. And to me, this means when I'm looking at my retirement, as I'm getting near to it, I want to move to another county that has a better retirement package for 2 years and have a better retirement system. I would rather stay in Santa Cruz. I would hope that we don't continue to find people to better systems that have better retirement, and I'd like you to address that.
Members of the board, my name is Jeffrey Smedberg. I'm in the Public Works Department, and I'd like to say a few words about parity. Parity is a concept which your board has become very familiar with. And your board did authorize the Personnel Department to work very closely with the union to do a parity study, which is getting near completion. And as you know, the concept of parity is to compare our total benefits package, total compensation and benefits package with workers in the other jurisdictions, comparing specific job class to job class of the same level of complexity and responsibility for each job. And the initial results of the study, and I'm sure if you haven't seen it yet, you will be seeing it soon, of the parity study that was just been completed, is that 80% of the benchmark classifications studied in our county are compensated below the 8-county comparison average, and 55% of them are more than 3% behind the average. And that is in addition to what my brother Matt just mentioned, that in addition to being behind in the wages, in our county, we are all paying an additional 4% of the employer share of the retirement benefit. So that's 4% added to the other 3% behind. Also, in Santa Cruz County, employees are paying $200 more per month on average for family health insurance coverage. So just like to end by saying we are looking forward very happily to work with you to achieve full parity. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Tim Wynn. I'm a public works engineer, road design, and I've been with the county for about 7 years. About 2 of those years have been working as extra work, and this was written for all the extra help workers out there. Workers who happen to be in extra help positions deserve respect and fair treatment equal to regular workers. We cannot have second-class co-workers. Workplace morale, productivity, and our service to the public all suffer without equal treatment of the workforce. Equal treatment means getting paid for a holiday when all your coworkers are getting paid for taking the day off. Equal treatment means being able to tend one's health with a sick day when needed rather than coming to work sick because you can't afford the loss in pay. And if needing medical care, all public employees, regardless of employment status, should have assistance from their employers in obtaining health insurance coverage. Only workers who are performing truly temporary, seasonal, or substitute work should be classified as such. Temporary workers doing ongoing work need to be converted to permanent. Thank you.
Good morning, board members. My name is Nick Steinmeier. I'm the Santa Cruz Area Staff Director for SEIU Local 521. First, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to us today. I also want to thank you for the service you provide and point out that our members of Local 521 provide a quality service to this community and deserve a quality contract. You could see our theme, It's About Time. It sort of falls center around the issues that you heard about. So it is about time for the County of Santa Cruz to give a quality contract to the workers that provide those services. And that contract should include and address the retirement cap issues. There is an injustice here with the county only paying a certain portion towards workers' retirements and workers paying for the county's share. It's about time to fix the broken personnel system that you have here in Santa Cruz County. It's about time for workers to have parity in this county and for workers with families to not have to choose between food and health insurance for their children. It's also about time that we don't have two classes of workers and that the system here with extra help is fixed, and that when there is peak and unusual nature, you use them. Otherwise, you convert those people or those positions into permanent positions. So thank you for listening to us, and we hope to have a good bargaining session this time around. Take care.